Our company has stood the test of time. A classic, a mark of excellence that portrays the image and satisfaction in the class in the final product. For the last 75 years, IAG has represented a symbol of permanence in over 100 different countries, like the knowledge that you will always find a cool Friend 75 in any bar you sit at. Few companies have survived 3/4 of a century. Few drinks have remained on the menus around the world for so long. It has taken good taste and stability to make IAG and Friend 75 succeed in this. The bubbles and the tang of lime juice is the same feeling one gets when walking into an intercontinental lobby for the first time. A depth of sense, pleasure, and the knowledge that one can now relax and let oneself be taken care of. Reach out for the cold beaded glass of Plebeian Rose and reach out to open your intercontinental room door. Both have the same outcome, a sign of relief of having arrived at your desired destination.
Cheers.